Liberty Walk has created a body kit for one of the most rare and expensive cars you can buy today. The average sale price of a Lamborghini Miura in 2025 is $2 million. Last June, one sold at auction for just shy of $5 million. A few years ago, Liberty Walk built a Miura, but it was a kit car. This time, it's the real deal, and it was my pick of the show at the 2025 Tokyo Auto Salon. I've been covering TAS for years, and every time I love shooting roll-in, setup, and of course, the show itself. But I've never had a chance to shoot teardown and rollout until this year. So I stayed until the very end. So many geese. Hey, if you like what you're watching, do me a favor, go check out the Hagerty Drivers Club. 24/7 roadside assistance with flatbed towing, subscription to our award-winning magazine, and more. Sign up today, links in the description. For the past couple of years, I've been so spoiled. After TAS ends on Sunday night, I usually head to an undisclosed location around Tokyo, where Liberty Walk brings me cars straight from the show floor to photograph. Back in 2020, it started with the kit car Miura and then an R34 super silhouette car. We then featured the infamous F40, and last year we shot the Countach. This time, I watched the entire crew struggle to get two non-running cars out of the Makuhari Messe Convention Center after a very long show week. Once everything was loaded up, Toshi asked me where I wanted to take the cars. My answer, 7-Eleven. It was so incredible to watch those guys take the vehicles out of the show so quickly, break down the entire booth within minutes. Now we're 40 minutes into Tokyo, just south in the bay, in this new area where they have this pretty much brand new 7-Eleven. We're gonna try to get some shots here with the Miura, and then we're gonna go to the old Tsukiji fish market where they used to sell fish in the mornings, and right now it's empty because it's at night. It's gonna be really nice to get some of that old Japan vibe. Oh my god. Oh, look at all those tires.
What's going on here, man?
What's going on? Celsior. Oh wow, it's lit right now, look. Yeah, bud. Damn, this thing is so low, look at this. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's so low, he has to make a 1,000,000-point turn just to get around this corner. Look, look. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Oh my god. He has more. Oh, look at him try to get into this spot. Amazing. Look at this. How's he shifting from reverse to drive so fast? Look, you can't turn it at all because it's that low. This may be the worst time to do this because Tokyo Auto Salon just let out and everybody is out around town with their modified cars. And
this is the worst time possible. Like, you couldn't even plan this. Like we're trying to get a Miura in here. Then all these guys show up.
Tell me how excited you are about shooting this Miura, because
Well, you know, I've been shooting Liberty Walk cars after task for like forever, so it's almost a tradition for me to do this after the show. And oh shit.
What? Oh, here comes the police.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm excited. I just hope we don't get in trouble and at least get one shot here and then move to Tsukiji.
Yeah, we'll be fine.
Yeah.
But then what does your Italian heart say about this Miura?
It's literally like somebody took a steak and went like, and then twisted it.
But this one was saved. This one was unloved and it was rusty.
It's an aftermarket FRP cowl, so it doesn't really bother me too much because it can always be returned to its original state. But I don't care. I like upsetting purists, so as long as it looks good in pictures and videos, I'm more than happy to shoot stuff like this. And I think the police is coming towards us, so we should probably turn off.
Here they come. And the R32. I'm just gonna keep eating my rice ball. I don't think we're gonna be able to get a shot in because the cops are already here.
So, what do you think?
What do you think? Did they leave already?
Yeah, they're gonna leave.
Oh, they're gone. There goes the police.
Yeah, go from Japan.
Right there, just left.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay. Which one?
I love Liberty Walk. Oh my God, look at this. Look what is going on here. I love this. Dino, is your heart racing? Tell me how excited you are right now.
This much.
This is so cool. I can't believe how beautiful this thing is. These guys are professionals. In recent years, 7-Eleven has become a huge part of car culture. It all started in Japan and has grown into a worldwide movement. Simply put, it comes down to necessity. Japan has very few places to park or even stop for a few minutes. 7-Eleven offers free parking and fuel for whatever you're cruising in. Plus, it's one of the only places open late at night after a long drive on the Wangan. And let's be honest, the iconic 7-Eleven colors just scream that 80s and 90s vibe we all love. I've never shot so fast in my life. Like, we just have no time. Oh, what's going on here? Full on rally car? This is why I love Japan. I've never shot a set of photos faster in my life, and honestly, I've never seen anyone unload a Lamborghini as quickly as the Liberty Walk crew did. They had that car off the truck in under 30 seconds. Next, we headed to the Tokyo Tsukiji fish market. It's the most famous and probably the busiest fish market in all of Japan. I've been there so many times during the day, and you could barely walk through the massive crowds. At night, it's an absolute ghost town. Perfect for shooting cars. Oh my god, I'm so excited because we're at how do you say it? Tsukiji. We're at Tsukiji Fish Market, and it's like an old Japanese feeling here. There's a shrine in the background. It's so pretty. The guys are flying FPV. We're getting some really good shots, both Dino and I. And this is just a dream shoot for me, really. It's incredible. I'm just so happy to be able to do this stuff with Liberty Walk in this capacity. I can see. What a night. It's been so much fun shooting this around Tokyo. This scene is impossible to recreate. Look at this. Just look at this scene. Look how pretty it is. It's unreal. We moved down the street for a different look at Liberty Walk's second build for this year's Tokyo Auto Salon and stumbled upon the most Japanese-looking street I've ever seen. Oh, dude, it doesn't get more Japanese than that. Look at us scouting these epic locations. Epic. Is this still fun for you?
Of course.
It's a challenge
Yeah,
every time.
yeah. Always get in trouble.
What are you talking about? Liberty Walk never gets in trouble. Your neighbors love you.
Yeah, okay, all right.
Tell me a little bit about the Miura. How long have you guys been working on it?
It took 10 months. Yeah, almost 1 year. Because 5 years ago, so we did a Miura from Ford GT40, right? Then so I was talking to John Silver, and let's make something special. Yeah, he made the design and the 3D.
Was the body in pretty good condition? Or was
No,
it?
it's like an accident car. Yeah,
So, in essence, you saved the car.
yeah,
Was there a lot of rust?
yes,
So you repaired the rust,
yeah, repair.
and then you guys made the one-off Liberty Walk clamshell.
Yeah, yes.
So then this one you didn't cut.
Yeah, we didn't cut, yeah, nothing.
So you just improved upon it.
Yes, it's easier.
It's amazing looking.
Yeah.
I guess you have to build another one, huh?
Yeah, so yeah, our plan is we're gonna build one more car for gift. Yeah.
I already thought when I shot your F40, I was thinking, how could you top it? You know?
Yeah.
It's amazing though. You did the F40, you did the Countach,
Yeah, Countach.
and now the Miura.
Yeah.
It makes me wonder what's next.
Yeah. Just let me know what's next.
Yeah. if
Maybe
you guys-
Bugatti.
Right. Oh, Bugatti. Oh, okay. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Chiron, Liberty Walk Chiron.
Yeah. Just collaborate with Larry.
I love it. This is cool. This is very Japanese.
This is a Showa era. This is a time capsule.
when it's really busy here, especially during the weekends, you literally can't walk because it's so many people.
I've never actually been here because this is a tourist trap, so I stay well away. But at night,
That must be why I come here all the time.
yeah, you are tourist.
Yeah.
I am Japanese.
Yeah.
Very Japanese.
He's so excited. Look at him.
Okay. I'm so excited. Let's do it.
Wait, so then should we just unload it here? Is it easy to unload it here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only once a year, right?
Okay. Once a year. I promise. Until I go to Nagoya, then twice a year.
Yeah, in Tokyo is crazy.
Yeah.
But in Nagoya, so
Liberty Walk City. Nagoya is Liberty Walk
it's
City.
okay. Everybody know.
Yeah, no problem.
Only once a year.
Hey, I promise you get to go to sleep after this. I promise, okay?
Okay.
This Nissan Skyline R32 styled as a Kaido-racer was inspired by the super silhouette race cars of the 70s. But unlike most highway loop racers, this one packed a serious punch thanks to a fully built PRP RB engine. Unfortunately, just like the Miura, they ran out of time, so it was just a pusher. What a night. I'm so beat. It's midnight. We got a track day early in the morning, but this just gave me such a big boost of energy, being able to shoot these incredible cars built in Japan. Does this street get any more Japanese? Like, look at this. This is so cool. The atmosphere is incredible. Good friends. I love Japan. Liberty Walk keeps pushing the limit of what's possible with Japanese tuning culture. Who knows what they will come up with next? I guess at this point, the sky's the limit. Who wants to see a Liberty Walk GT40?